Hey guys, day 7. It is April 8th. We have today and tomorrow until spring break, and then you guys are off for a whole week. Super exciting. Hopefully, you guys are getting your work in and you don't have to worry about it over spring break. If not, remember that I did keep everything open until the 19th. So if you need to, you can work on that stuff, but make sure you get it in so that way we don't have to worry about that. Just a reminder, if you did not turn in day 1 through 10 assignments, if you did not take it to the school or you did not take pictures and send it to me already, make sure you do that. That is for the 3rd marking period, so I need that ASAP. Okay, so all that stuff you did in the book needs to be sent to me ASAP. Today is day 7, so you are going to watch a video from the Amoeba Sisters about plan structure and adaptations, just to show you where that is once again. Go all the way down to the bottom of your classwork page, and the plan structure adaptation will be posted today, so that'll be up. And then after you watch that video, you are going to do the angiosperm reproduction assessment. Look back at the notes from yesterday about angiosperms. We are going to have an assessment in here. It's not here currently. I have to put it up, but it will be there for you to take today. It'll say gymnosperm mini assessment on there. That is also in your notebook on page 96 if you wanted to take a peek at that. So look at your notes. You can use your notes on these assessments, so make sure you are using them as a modification. And then plan structures reproduction study guide. So I'm going to go to that study guide just to show you guys. I'm actually going to switch my screen out so you can see exactly what it shows you on your screen. So if you go to study guides, it'll show growth and reproduction. So this is the study guide. This is these are the PDF file of the study guide. So if you wanted to print that out and then send me a picture of it completed, you can. This is the Google Doc format. So the way you're going to submit this, you're going to view assessment or view assignment. This is where you're going to turn it in. I did not make you a copy. I figured out how to do that for after spring break. So bear with me for the time being. You're going to go into the document. You're going to highlight everything all the way down to the bottom. The yellow highlight is where you're going to fill in your answer, but you're going to copy, go back to that tab that has the classwork, go to add or create, document. And once you do that, it'll come up with a blank screen. Like I said, after spring break, if we have any documents that you need to complete as an assessment, it'll already have a copy for you, so you don't have to worry about that. To paste your information into the blank document, you can press CTRL. It's a button on your keyboard, and V. That's what I did. That I'm just accustomed to doing that. Or you can do right click and paste. Okay. So now you have that in your document. Now you're going to go through your study guide and you are going to answer those questions. Okay. The answers to your study guide will be up sometime tomorrow. So we'll go through that. I'll probably make a video about it, or I'll post a picture of the completed work. Okay. So make sure once you're done that, you press turn in, so that way you turn it in and you get a grade for it. Okay. What else? So once you're done your study guide, make sure you look over your notes, because tomorrow you will have a plant reproduction quiz you will need to be taking tomorrow. Reminder, the plant project, okay? We've been talking about that in most of the agenda videos. Plant project is going to be due on tomorrow. So make sure you've been doing that. If you haven't, it's okay. You can start working on that and handing it over spring break. However, if you don't hand it in, it is a test grade. So make sure you are doing that. Okay. I hope you guys have started that. If you haven't, just make sure you do. All right. If you have any questions about what you're supposed to do today, make sure you comment on this video, or you can send me an email, have your parents send me an email directly, and I will do the best I can in directing you how to do today's work. Okay? And that is about it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.